In this video, I'm going to teach you some tricks about probability. So if we have a problem like this that says if you roll a six-sided dice 2 times, what is the probability of rolling a 5 and then a 5? So the two events are independent if the outcome of the first event does not affect the outcome of the second event. So we have two events here, right? We roll once and then we roll again. Each event is independent. They don't affect the outcome of the second event. They have equal probability of occurring. So the first roll of the dice does not affect the second roll of the dice. And we know the dice has 6 sides, numbers 1 through 6. So the probability of rolling 5 is 1 out of 6. Because the two events are independent, the probability of rolling 5 the second time is exactly the same. The 5 appears only once, and then the number of sides are 6. So the probability is 1 over 6 again. Now, since the rolls are independent, we could multiply the two probabilities to find the probability of rolling 5 and then 5 again. So that's how you find the total probability of rolling twice, okay? So you multiply those two together and you get 1 over 36. So that is the probability of rolling 5 and then 5 a second time. And that's it. That's all there is to that problem. Don't worry if you don't get that right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook. You could download it and you'll find a link to this very video. You could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, there's links in the description to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar if you need extra help. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.